Kurt, can I ask you to either eat some fucking Starbucks to me, and I'll pay you on PayPal?
Yeah, sure.
Thanks, dude.
I can't even get Goober Eats where I am.
You said,
What?
you actually said Goober Eats. You actually said that to me.
Goober Eats.
I love Goober.
That's where Prod eats.
That's why Prod's able to use it. It's 'cause of Goober Eats. What the fuck is up, Kyle? Flash?
So I don't know, man. What is this game? Goober. I feel like you're flying away.
I haven't been able to see.
What? Oh my god! What? That nothing inspired that.